Something I forgot to mention to you, we provide a mass airflow sensor, sorry, electronic fuel enhancer. This is a digital electronic fuel enhancer designed for cars in Australia, those cars which have got frequency modulated power supplies, frequency modulated sensors, as all Australian vehicles have by Australian design standards. This is a 5 sensor unit. It's a mass airflow sensor. It is a manifold air pressure sensor, coolant temperature sensor, air temperature sensor, mass airflow, oxygen sensor, and lambda sensor. As required to get the best efficiency out of a car, make the engine run leaner and run with greater power. It's an extra price on top of the hydrogen fuel system we have here. This system here is currently valued at, well, the current value I won't worry about. I'll let my agents discuss that, because the values unfortunately will change because the manufacturing costs increase. These things are manufactured by a company called Browns Industries in Sydney, Sydney, Australia. I can be contacted through my email glnox11@live.com, or my phone number 040-317-7183. This unit is powering my wife's Holden Captiva, a very, very efficient system. Gives you more power and roughly twice the fuel economy, half the fuel costs. Have a great day. Bye.